Hi everybody, my name is Vincent and here's my 15.112 term project. This app is actually the basic version of the Grapher on MacBook Pro. As you can see now, we should first enter an integer. I prefer the integer 16, so let's put 16 here. This integer actually represents the length of the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's check it now. So here's 16 and here's also 16. I will talk about it later. Now let's put some equations here. Let's start with the easiest ones, like y equals x plus 5. This is the graph of y equals x plus 5. You can drag to see the different parts of the graph. You can use the zoom in button or zoom out button to see the results. Also, let's get some new equations. Y equals x squared, zoom in or zoom out. You can also use the app to graph some relatively complicated functions. For example, let's try y equals e to the sine x squared plus 2 times x plus 5. This is the graph of this relatively complicated equation. You may wonder now which is which, so let's change the color of the different graphs. Before changing the color, you have to choose one equation, otherwise there will be an error box. So we choose the relatively complicated equation and change its color. So there are in total 9 color choices, including the black. I prefer the violet color, so let's choose color 6. Now the graph of this relatively complicated equation is colored. We can also delete one of these equations. We choose the y equals x squared and delete it. Also, after inputting too many equations, you may want to delete all of these equations at one time. It's also easy by just clicking on this button. You see that we return to the very beginning of this app by entering an integer n. For example, let's enter a different integer n, 18. And now the length of this x-axis is 18, and so is the y-axis. And every equation and function you just entered is gone. So this is my app Grapher. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.